Hey guys, and welcome back. So today we have the Trevor Wireless Lavalier Microphone System set. Alright, so this set right here is a wireless headset microphone that offers noise reduction for your DSLR camera, smartphones, PA speakers, podcast, YouTube, interview, vlogging videos, recording. So you get a lot of clear quality recording. So right here there's single mics, double mics, headwear. So this is the double mic. You got headwear. You have two different microphones. So this has a dual transmitter, wireless and smooth, up to 25 frequencies. Ranges is up to 50 meter, which is 165 feet. 0 ms latency, 20 level volume. So right here, first off in the box, we have the user manual. This just basically gives you a little information on the microphone set itself. So a few of the information in this user manual will include the specifications as well as what is included. You got your headphones, you got a couple microphones, you got some wires, so it tells you down here. You have the transmitter, the mic receiver, the headset microphone. You have another microphone, phone adapter cable, 3.5 millimeter camera adapter, hot shoe adapter. So here's the specifications for this microphones. And right here just tells you a little bit about it, the indicators, the plugins, the chargeable batteries. Alright, so first off, let's go ahead and get into this box. So this is the receiver itself, and then it has its little antenna right here. So you can see they have the on and off button right here. You have your charger plug on this side here. And then you've got your RAF. And then there's the plug. It's very lightweight. The range to this is up to 50 meters wide. So now we have your microphones right here. This comes with two of these mini microphones. These are the ones that clips onto your shirts or jackets. And it has this little plug right here. That is the 3.5 millimeter jack that plugs into the receivers. So right here is the actual headphone set. The headphone microphone. It comes with two of them. So this would be good if you're out doing a conference. If you're on the phone, this will actually work perfectly. Doing podcasts, this actually works better, so you don't actually have to hold it or clip onto your shirt. So this one does come with two of them, and they just plug into the little adapters right here. Next off, you have the charging wires. These are not the Type-C, these are your original Android plugs. So you get two of them for both sets. And then you have another microphone right here. Again, like I said, this is a dual wireless headset microphone. This does have noise reductions for DSLR cameras, smartphones, PDA speakers. So the headset is actually good for doing the PA speaker systems. So this is for your camera. You will connect this into the receiver to your camera. So the Trevor Professional UHF Wireless Headset Lapel Microphone System provides clear and warm local sound. The wireless microphone system works with the PA loudspeaker, so if you're out doing a conference, this will be perfect to use. It does use a TS to TRS cable. If it is a 3.5 millimeter mic input, you also use the wireless microphone system to make audio recordings and interviews with iPhones, Androids, smartphones, tablets, PC, laptops using your adapter included in the box. You would use the TS to TRRS cable for phones, tablets, notebooks, and TS to TRS cable for the DSLR cameras and desktop computers. So for first smartphones, you'd use the 1/8 jack that you should use Lightning Type-C cable adapter, which is not included in this set. So right here is the little receivers. So at the top you can see where you'd plug into your microphone. You have the mic plug-in, you have your power, and then you have your little antenna. So this is a super high sensitive mic. It's a built-in noise reduction chip which reduces the interference of the surrounding environment and effectively recognizes the quality sound, which can meet up recording needs in a noisy environment. So if you are a vlogger, this would be a good microphone to use. With the digital display to change your frequencies, you have your buttons, your left and right buttons. Press on the left button for volume down and right button for volume up. Press both left and right button to select the right frequency, so you could change your frequency by pushing both of the buttons. And right down here is the actual plug to charge this device. So you get two of them. So the specifications on these, it gets up to 165 feet or 50 meters away from the receiver. So this makes a perfect recording for phones and cameras on the go. So again, here is your plug-in for your mic, your power, and your antenna. And then you have a little clip right here to clip to your belt or to your jacket. Again, there is another power port right here to charge this. So if you're looking for something for your blog videos or just to do review videos on YouTube or something, this has everything that you need in here. So I would definitely check this one out. This does come with two sets, so if you're doing a gaming channel and you've got two people that wants to be in the video, this is perfect for that. So I would definitely check this one out. It'll tell you what comes with it and how the frequency and the specifications are. So go ahead and check this one out. I would definitely recommend this one.